Hi, good morning, boys and girls. We are going to paint a garden of flowers. That's what we are going to do. And we are going to use a fork to paint our flowers with. So what we need for this project is a bunch of different colors of paint. I already put mine on my paper plate. You are also going to need a fork, white paper, and you'll need your markers. For this one, you don't need your glue and you don't need scissors for this project either. Pretty cool. Well, remember how I was showing you earlier tulips? Yeah, let me see if I have that picture really quick. I think I do. Yes, here it is. Remember, tulips is one of the first flowers that come up in the springtime. Yeah, well, we're gonna make some tulips using a fork with different colors. Oh, you'll also probably need a wipe or some kind of a cloth to clean your fork each time you make your flowers, okay? Okay, so super simple. We're using a fork because it almost looks like a tulip shape, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put it in our paint. We're gonna put our fork in our paint, just like this. Make sure you get it at the bottom of your fork too. And then you're just gonna put it on your paper. So there's one. I'm gonna do two red ones. I think I'll put another one right here. And just move it back and forth really gently. Okay, now I'm gonna clean my fork off because I wanna do a different color now. I think I'm going to do yellow. I'm going to use my yellow. Get my yellow all on my fork, just like that. And you're going to do the same thing. You kind of just rock it back and forth. There's one. Oh, I'll make a tall one up here. Two. And I think I'm even going to get another one. I'll put right here. Three. Whoa, that one was a very gushy one, wasn't it? I had a lot of paint on that one. Okay, so now I'm going to clean off my brush or my fork, and I'm going to pick a different color. I'm going to do blue. Blue. I love blue too. Blue flowers are beautiful. Same thing. You're just going to use your fork and rock it back and forth. Where else do I want? I think I'll put one right here. Right there. I like that. One more. I think I'm going to put one more. Where should I put it? I think I'll put one right down here. I have so much fun doing this. I could have a whole garden full. That's what you're making. Okay, my next color is going to be pink. I want some pink. Beautiful pink tulips. So I'm going to put one right up here. And I'm going to do one more way up here at the very top. Whoa, look at that tulip. Okay, I'm going to use one more color, I think. I think I'm going to use a darker blue. Might want to use a darker blue. Let me get it. Rock it in my paint real good. Make sure you got it all on there real good. And then just rock it on your paper. Just like that. There's one. And I'll put one right here. Yeah, one right there. Awesome. I am loving my paper. You know what? I have one more color. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. Orange, which is my favorite color, of course. And I have it right here, so I might as well use it. So I'm going to make some orange ones right up. There's one up here, and I think I'm going to put one right over here. Okay, now you need to make the stems of your flowers. So you're going to get your green marker. You can use paint if you want to use paint, but I'm going to use my marker. And you just want to draw your stems, which is just a straight line down each one. Some of them, because they're older flowers or bigger ones are going to have really long stems. And some of them aren't going to have such long ones, and that's okay. So let's see, here's my little blue one, and here's this blue one, and it's going to go all the way down. Here's my pink one, my red. I have another blue one that goes here, and that's going to come back down there. And then I have an orange one all the way over there. Oh, here's an orange one. Okay, and now you want to put some leaves on your beautiful tulips. And the leaves are just beautiful lines, just like this, see? You can make your leaves however you want. You can use different colors of green too. You can have longer ones, shorter ones. Look at all these beautiful branches and leaves to all. And you know, see, you can even add, I have a lighter green. So I think maybe I'll add a little bit of light green to my beautiful flower garden. See? You can add some more. A little more details if you want. There's some more branches up here. Oh, and look over here. Make it beautiful, because remember, this is your garden, your flower garden. Look at all those beautiful colors. Oh, I want to put some right here. I don't have any on that one. Okay. And then you are finished making your tulip garden out of forks. I cannot wait to see yours. So make sure that you have your grown-up take a picture and post it on Facebook for me, okay? Thank you so much for joining me, and you guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye.